Well, good morning, kids. It's Uncle Dave and Hunter and Gary. We're going to show you how to do a radio today. We've got a 62 Falcon convertible, nice little car. The radio's kind of worn out, so we picked up a radio for it, and we're going to put that in. Hunter's going to do most of the work. And this is basically, any car has a radio, and you kids like to change them, so this will kind of help you with some ideas on how to do it. Ready to go? Let's do it.
No, they come right off.
Do they? Okay,
Yeah.
you can get it with your hands. These knobs, make sure. Let's bag it. Let me get it back for you. There you go.
Now we need a socket.
It is one button, isn't it? Yeah. You might want to kind of put your feet out of the car. Really? Well, that's pretty easy. Alrighty. Here's the old radio. Here's the new one. They look pretty similar. This one I'm going to have to change the depth on it, bring it back a little bit. See these? That's the difference in them. This, you see how big this is? This thing's probably got tubes in it and everything else. New ones are all digital, they're much smaller. Made in the USA too. So what we're gonna do is this is a spacer on the front. This spacer can come and go. We're gonna push it back a little bit. Alrighty, here you go. Put it in there. Oh my gosh, this radio speaker's bipolar. So it says right there, it's bipolar. We're gonna have problems.
So are you saying there's only one plug in this thing?
Yeah. That's all I had to unplug was this.
Okay, we're gonna take these nuts off of here. Small one here. Over here, same thing. Sure. Okay, now, might as well plug this in before we put it in there. Let's put speaker wires. This is the power antenna wire. We don't want power to hit this thing. We don't want it short out, so I'm just looping it back. We don't have a power antenna, so we're just gonna tape it up out of the way. Tape it so that it can't short out. Yellow goes to battery.
So what are you trying to do right now?
Looking for power. That's what I'm looking for, Dave. Wow.
Oh, you found something.
Hey, that's
that
it. Yeah, that works. Okay. Yeah, I got a wire right here. That blue connection is with the you turn the key on, you get power there. I got to make a little jumper for this. Okay. Ground. Mr. Blackwire. There we go. We got power. Front left, positive.
Negative. We got country, that's good enough.
Well, I just hung around this little West Coast town. I
Now you got to put the radio in the hole, speaker in the hole. That'll work. 10.5.
It's illegal to do things like hire.
This isn't screwed. Like you don't screw this. Just put it in the trunk. I've ordered one for this too, yeah. That's how it's supposed to be.
There was some guy going up and down the road, and he
He was all over the road.
yeah, he was completely in my lane, so I had to like go over to the side.
But you survived.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything worked.
Amazing.
He did good.